I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't play here.
Hey you guys, so today's video is just me trying a different style on my Microlocs. Hopefully it came out good. I took time last night to twist it and then kind of wrap the ends around the twist just to give it a more curly, hopefully fuller look. Reason being, like I said in my previous videos, I'm at a point where like I just don't want to wear wigs anymore, and I'm avoiding wearing them when I don't need to. And today is like one of those days where I want to look good. Yeah, I want to look good and I want to look, you know, mature while I'm out. And you know, it's a little hard when you got Microlocs, especially because I don't really know how to style them outside of, you know, the typical updos or side part. So we're gonna take these down and see how they came out. If you watched my Free People try on haul, you'll see that I was like, this isn't a bad style, but I would need like the gold charms to put in my hair to just like make it pop a little bit more. But yeah, for tonight it's not gonna work. So yeah, let's see what it's going to look like. I hope it didn't shrink too much. Oh, they're like short. It's gonna be a little short, I could see, but hopefully not too bad.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. So true, there's no one for me, it's only you.
Okay y'all, so this is what it's looking like halfway through. So let me turn. Hopefully you can see the back and the focuses. Definitely has a lot of volume, but it did shrink. Now let's get to the front, because this is the front is what I am most nervous about. So let's see how it turns out. Not bad, honestly. I like this. It's a nice little volume. Okay y'all, so this is what it's looking like. This is what it's giving, and honestly it's not what I was going for, but I like it. It's full, it's textured, it's super curly, and I like it. And also I was very strategic in how I placed the twist, and it literally fell exactly how I want it to fall. Granted, it is a lot tighter than I thought I wanted it to be, but it looks cute. It's giving TWA, teeny weeny afro. And I like it. I think it's really cute. yeah, you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about it. Do you feel like for you it's personally too tight and it shrunk a little bit too much, or do you, like me, enjoy the fullness of it and also like how it falls? I don't think I have any jam or gel to put on my edges because I think I would want to. I normally don't put anything on my edges, but I don't know, I feel like I need to. But let me turn around so you could see it. And then this side. Yeah, overall, let me know what you think about it. I like it. I really do. I think it's cute and it's gonna fit the vibe for today. What is the vibe? I don't know, super chill. I want to throw on some jeans and a cute little top. I don't feel like wearing a jacket today, so we're gonna see what I can find. This is the final look. Let me step back a little bit, and I think it's cute. The hair looks full and fluffy. The outfit is super casual. Got my brand in Blackwood that I did in a haul last year that I'm wearing for the first time. I got the shrug that came with the dress, but it's warm, but it may get cooler later, so I thought this would be the perfect cover up. And then some wide leg pants, and then I'm just gonna add my white skippies. Keep it simple because I ain't feel like doing too much. But yeah, this is the vibe for the day. Hair looks amazing. But yeah, this is the final look. If you like content like this with me actually trying styles with my Microlocs, let me know down in the comments and I will try to post more of them. I could probably post a video of like my favorite go-to styles for like everyday wear. But yeah, I think this is alright. All right, y'all, I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your alerts so you know when the next video is uploaded. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.